So let's start the reading. How to reduce water footprint means how to reduce the water usage. In case of direct footprint, we can do the following. If we directly want to stop the wastage of water, we can follow the following steps. Install water saving toilets and showers means we should use water saving toilets and showers. Close the tap while brushing your teeth and shaving. This is very common point which we are already doing. Use recycled water in the garden. The recycled water we should use in the garden to water the plants. Harvest rainwater and use it for recharging groundwater or for secondary uses like washing cars and gardening. Harvest rainwater means we should save rainwater and we should use it for recharging groundwater or for the secondary uses means where the primary uses are not there, like if we want to wash our cars, if we want to water the plants, we can use the saved rainwater there. If it is indirect footprint means how we can save water indirectly, we should be conscious of what we buy. We should take care what we are buying. The things which we are buying, if they consume too much water, then we should not buy them. We should make sure that we buy products that have a comparatively lesser water footprint. Means we should buy that things which consume less water. For example, buying a product that is produced from a place that is less prone to water scarcity means buying a product that is produced from a place, we should buy a product which is produced from that place that is less prone to water scarcity, which is doing less bad to water scarcity. Switching to products that have a lesser water footprint means we should use that products that have lesser water footprint, that have lesser water usage. This will encourage industries to be more water conscious and transparent in their water consumption. In this way, the industries, the big companies will be more water conscious. Indirectly, though, companies and big industries only can save the water. We people can save the water directly, but indirectly, they can use such kind of machines which use less water, where water consumption is less. The Water Footprint Network has developed a calculator which can help individuals assess their water footprint based on their lifestyles and locations. The Water Footprint Network means the network where they take care of water usage. They have developed a calculator and they help individuals assess their water footprint. They help each one of us to check how much water we are using based on their lifestyle and their location. What is the location where we are living? What is our lifestyle? Based on that, the Water Footprint Network tells us how much water we are using. The calculators are based on the water requirements per unit of product as in the country of residence. These calculators are based, how they are based? They are based on the water requirements per unit of product as in the country of residence. Means our country, wherever the residentary part is there, per unit में कितनी वाटर की रिक्वायरमेंट है, इसके बेस पर वो कैलकुलेशंस करके ये बताते हैं कि पर इंडिविजुअल कितना वाटर वो यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सो अनदर पार्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो.